Welcome to Homeyhuts. In this video, we'll show you how to create a magic cluster. So in the host control center, there is a tab properties. In that tab, there is another tab that is magic cluster. So once you come to this tab, you can see a option that is new cluster. Click on that and give your cluster a name. That could be the property name. So this will be your cluster name. Next is properties. So here you can search the properties and create a cluster for that specific property. Try to select the entire property first. So here you can see it is the parent listing and this box is already ticked. So next you can search the other like child listings. And suppose if you select like the entire listing later in the second option or the third or the fourth, you can just click on this is parent and click on save. So your cluster will be saved and you can see it here, like the cluster ID will appear and the cluster name. And this is the 4 properties, that is like there are 4 child listings. The parent one will have this tag and the child listings won't have it. So Magic Cluster is a group of listings managed together. This is perfect for hosts with multiple properties in the same area. So this will help your listing to be easier to like track all the listings and to avoid double bookings. That's all for this video. If you have any doubts, you can contact our support. Thank you.